guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a quick vlog. I'm going to the Tenoshi Events Common Services meet tonight, so I thought I'd do a quick vlog just to show you what's there. Hopefully we'll see some good cars, and yeah, it's nice to get the car out. The weather's been beautiful today, so I'm really excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Yeah, fucking clean. Good lad.
This is louder than last time.
Oh, really? Yes guys, we're here at Tenoshi Events Common Services meet. Turnout is quite decent, there's quite a few cars here. Still lots of people arriving, so it's gonna chill out for a bit. See what cars there are here. I'll get some clips for you guys to show you, and yeah, it should be quite good. There's meant to be some flame battles and stuff going on later on, which would be sick. So I'll get some footage of that, of course, for you guys, and yeah, we'll see what else is yet to come to the show.
Where was it?
Yes guys, just got back from the Tanashi meet at Club Services. Overall, really wicked night. I'm just gonna get through and edit the video now. I'm not even sure how long it's gonna be. Just got a few random clips here and there, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Definitely was a really enjoyable night. It was a really good turnout, and yeah, some mad cars there. Saw some of the guys from GT Tuners Club, which was good. And yeah, overall just really enjoyed it. It was nice just to get the 34 out and stuff. I haven't really driven her in a while, and everyone absolutely loved the new taillights, which I'm going to be doing a video. I'm going to be releasing the video on them properly to show you guys what they look like. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But please make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.